So in this video, we're going to take a look at another website that you can use to evaluate and research stocks. If you go to my stock page and scroll down, it's the first link, How the Market Works. And this is actually the website that we'll be using to create our portfolios to buy and sell our stocks. I want to point out 5 links, and they're located over here on the left. We're going to start with symbol lookup. Now this is very similar to Yahoo. It has a lot of the same features. You would type in the company that you wanted to look up, so we'll type in Target. It has a lot of the same graphs and analyst opinions. So here's Target. Let me just click on that. It's just set up just a little bit differently. So here you have, I'm on the quotes tab. Here's a graph that you can manipulate. You can look at 1 month, 3 months, a year. It shows the current price. It's up 5 cents today. You could actually go to the analyst opinion. I actually like this, how they break it down. They also rate from it's on a 1 to 5 scale, and they break it down over here. I like that. So remember, the closer to 1, the stronger the buy. Closer to 5, you would want to sell the stock, or just don't buy it to begin with. You might also want to click on news just to see if there's any news involving the company that you're interested in. So that's one feature on this site, very similar to Yahoo. Let's take a look at another one. Right under symbol lookup is symbol screener. Now I like this feature. You can actually screen stocks based on their price or their price to earning ratio. So we talked about this a little bit in class. I'm not really going to look at that in this particular video. Let's just screen some stocks based on price. So I'm going to set the minimum price to $1 and the maximum price to $5. So if you were looking for an inexpensive stock, this is what you would do. You can set the exchange. I'm going to leave it at any, and let's see what happens. Okay, there are too many stocks here. There's over 3,000 stocks that are between $1 and $5. So you can change the filters. If I click on Show Search Parameters, let's focus in on the New York Stock Exchange and see what that does. So here we have 158 different stocks that are between $1 and $5 on the New York Stock Exchange. If any of these look interesting to you, you could actually click on the symbol. I'm just going to click on the very first one, AAV. Now remember that symbol, AAV, and I'm going to go to quotes for AAV. Okay, AAV. So let me go to quote, the quote tab, and this will give you the graphs. So here's some graphs of AAV. It's trading at $4.70 a share. It's up 5 cents today. You could see what the analysts had to say about it. Let's go ahead and click on that. Well, the current recommendation is a 1. So it's a strong buy. Now there's only 2 analysts that are saying that it's a strong buy. So you might want to go back to Yahoo and research this stock, see if you can get any additional information, AAV. But again, so if you're looking at a mid-range stock, if you wanted to set your parameter from 10 to 15, maybe look on the NASDAQ, look at some technology stocks. Let's just see what comes up there. So there's 351 different stocks. If one looks interesting to you, just click on it, and you can research it. So that's just another feature you can use. Let's go over here to popular symbols. And these are just some of the most popular companies out there. Might give you some ideas. You've got Microsoft, Best Buy, Twitter. So this might give you some ideas on things you might want to research. Ford Motor Company. And again, you can click on any one of these symbols. and garner some information. Another feature over here is the top 500 companies. There's your Fortune 500. So you've got Exxon, Walmart, Chevron, Apple. You could click on any of these symbols and get some information. And then just the last thing I want to point out to you, and this is really if you're desperate. Over here there's a feature called Throw Darts. So if you've just run out of ideas on companies to research, this will actually throw a dart at 60,000 different stocks and mutual funds. I'm not really interested in the mutual funds, so I'm just going to have it throw darts at stocks. And you just click at Throw Dart. And so what did it come up with? Here's a stock for $3. I'm not sure why that's in red. Let's throw another dart. So this is just selecting random stocks. This one we couldn't buy because it's trading for 10 cents a share, and the stocks that we purchase have to be in the contest have to be over $1 a share. So let's just click on it again. I don't like that one either. And you can just keep clicking on this till maybe something piques your interest. So here's one. Here's a natural gas stock. It's traded on the New York Stock Exchange. And this is the symbol. So maybe you want to look that up. So you could go to the symbol lookup and type in NAGS, or you could go back to Yahoo. You could have the Yahoo window open as well and check out these stocks. This is kind of a last resort. If you're out of ideas, you could just keep clicking on this and it's just going to generate random stocks. Now that one you could definitely not buy. So there are just 5 features on this website that are pretty interesting. Symbol lookup, the stock screener, the most popular symbols, the top 500 companies, and Throw Darts. So just another website that you can use to evaluate and research stocks.